Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create custom metrics in Google Analytics 4. If you do not have much idea about configuring and tracking custom dimension in Google Analytics 4, then you should also watch a tutorial how to create custom dimension in Google Analytics 4. I have added the link of that video tutorial in the description of this video. So basically any custom parameter that is sent to Google Analytics can be later considered that as a custom dimension. Before going further, I will give you a quick overview of dimension and metrics and how they are different from dimension. So, dimension is the attribute of something like attribute of products, attribute of event, attribute of user, and they describe something. Here is the several example. You can see page URL, traffic source, coupon code, item category, and user country. These are the most commonly used dimension. As you can see, it describes something, so you can use it to create segment audiences. For example, you can create report where all the hits are on those sessions where traffic source is google.com. And as per metrics, it is quantitative measurement. It tells the number, like if you want to see the number of traffic, the number of traffic that comes from different sources like Google, Facebook, email, etc. In this case, traffic source is the dimension and the number of traffic is metrics. Let's see the other example. Here you can see order total, event count, number of logins, number of sign up, number of purchases. Simply come to the event section of Google Analytics 4. Here you can see events. Here you can see event name, event count. Here you can consider event name is the dimension and event count is the matrix. As there are many built-in metrics in Google Analytics 4, but still you may need to create some custom metrics. In other words, if you need more, then you will need customization. Here is the sub example of custom metrics. Number of views, discounted amount. You can send discount in custom metrics and later you can see the discounted amount in report. But keep in mind that Google Analytics 4 allow you to create up to 50 custom metrics. So now let's see how to create custom metrics. This is the demo website and I have already installed Google Analytics 4 and Google Tag Manager in this site. Here I have added embedded YouTube video and we need to see the video views in Google Analytics 4 report. So in this case, I will need to create custom metrics for video views. Go to Google Tag Manager. In trigger section, click on new. Click here. Here you can see YouTube video. Click on it. Here you can see these options. You might think that you should enable all these options because if you are familiar with video tracking, you probably know that it is enough to have just one trigger to cover every kind of video events. However, in this case, we want to send the custom metrics only with the start event. All the other events like complete, progress, they should also be sent but without a custom metrics. So in this case, we will have two trigger and two tags. So now in this trigger, just keep start event and also check this and name the trigger you start. You can name whatever you want and save the trigger. Then I will create another trigger. Click on it, select YouTube video, and this time I will check only complete and don't forget to check this one. Now click on progress. Here you can see the percentages of video views. Here you can see the example 10, 25, 50, 75, 90, etc. You can set the percentage of video views according to your need, your requirement. Here I am setting up 5, 10, 50, 60, 90, whatever you want you can set here and name the trigger. I am naming it YouTube complete progress. You can name whatever you want and save the trigger. Now go to tag section, click here, click on new, select GA4 events, select GA4 configuration. Here you can see event name where we are going to send event, and we will add event parameter here. As we are setting up things for video tracking, Google Analytics 4 have some built-in video event tracking, which is the part of enhanced measurement. And in this case, video name are video start, video progress, video complete, and also bunch of parameter right here. So since we are going to track video interaction with Google Tag Manager, then you will need to disable video engagement in Google Analytics 4. Come to Google Analytics and go to admin section, click on data stream, click on this query icon. Here you can see video engagement, and I am going to disable it. You can disable it from here and save it. If you will not disable video engagement, then you will receive duplicate data. Now come to GTM event name. As in this tag, I am going to track video start event, and event name is available in Google Analytics 4 official document. So just copy video start from here and paste it here. Now come to event parameter. Here you can see you can add all these parameters that are automatically tracked by enhanced measurement. So just copy each parameter from here and paste it here. I will paste all these event parameters one by one from here. Now let's come to value section. Here we need to include respective video variables that are built in Google Tag Manager container. So here you can see video current time. Click on this plus icon, click on videos, and here you can see the search icon. Click on it and search for. Here you can see video current time. Select it. You will need to do the same for all these parameter name. Plus icon, click on built-ins and the video duration. So here you can see I have added the value in each parameter name. By the way, what I am doing here that does not require my custom metrics, but I want to send some additional custom dimension, and then at the end we will also send one custom matrix. So here you can see I have filled all the variable. This is just a preparation for all event tracking in general, and now we are going to send an additional thing which is going to be a custom matrix. Click on add row. So since we are sending video views, we can set an additional parameter that is called video views. I have named it video views. You can name whatever you want, like video impression, video metrics, etc. Here every time this video start even send, we want to increment that video views matrix with 1. So for example, 3 visitor watch this video. This tag video start will find 3 times. Therefore, the video view matrix will incremented by 1. So I will enter here 1. 3 times. As you can see right now, we have inserted a bunch of parameters, which is also known as dimension, and additionally we have inserted one custom matrix, this one, that later we will configure it in Google Analytics 4 interface. So now let's go to triggering. Select the video start trigger and name the trigger GA4 event video start. You can name whatever you want and save it. So now we will create another tag. This is the tag we just created. We will just copy it, click on it, click here and click on copy. Here you can see copy of GA4 event. Name the trigger GA4 event, video underscore progress and video underscore complete. You can name whatever you want. And here we are going to dynamically insert either complete or progress based on that interaction that happened, and we can do that with built-in variables that is called video status. Just click on this plus icon, click on built-in, search for status. Here you can see video status and just make it like this. And now we will change the trigger and we will keep all these things as it is. Click here. We will select this trigger, YouTube complete progress. And now save the trigger. Now enable the preview. Enter this URL here. Click on connect. Here you can see preview mode is loaded. Now let's play the video. Here you can see these things. Click on it. Video start tag fired. Here you can see video progress complete tag. Video progress complete tag has fired. So it means it is working fine. So now let's go to debug view of Google Analytics 4. Here you can see video event has fired. Here you can see the bunch of parameter that we had added, and you can also see the custom parameter that we have added. You can see the value here 1. This is our custom matrix. So now the final thing is you need to create the custom matrix in Google Analytics 4 that we just created in Google Tag Manager. So go to custom definition, click on it. Here you can see custom matrix, click on it. Here you can see create custom matrix, click on it. Here enter the name of matrix. I am naming video views, and in event parameters section you need to enter exactly this one. Copy it from here and paste it here. Now click on this. In our case we will keep standard, so leave it as it is. And here you can see video views custom matrix is created. Now it is done. You can see data of this custom matrix after 24 hours of its implementation. Now let's see how can you get custom matrix in report. Go to explore section. Here you can see matrix. Click on this. And we have created the matrix that is named video views. Select, search it here. You can see video views. Click on import. Here you can see video views appeared in matrix section. So this is how it is done. Thanks for watching.